About 5 of them, one for up to 5, right? And you see, as executives,
Carl,
we should be
please mute yourself. Yeah, Felix, please, you want to ask a question? Hello? Please, can you hear me? Please, can everyone hear me? There's a network. No, you're not making any echo. Amas. Yes. If I meet the other mics, how are those who are on the app able to hear me? If I mute my mic on the other course, how would they hear me? Amas. Enter my DM right now. Come to do something. Tell me there's an echo still. On WhatsApp, right now.
Actually, my doing
Amas.
Like,
Can everyone hear me?
Yes, please.
what's you? Made a more go where you was so that.
Can everyone hear me, please?
Yes, please.
Use your reaction if you can hear me and there's no echo. Is there so many echo?
Who don't million? No man,
So I think this style is fine.
Only Google or phones. Only Google.
So if everyone can hear me and there's no echo, I think it's fine, right? Amas, I'm waiting on your feedback and I'm not getting anything from WhatsApp. Don't record, test me.
Info session.
So I'm trying to test if we'll have everyone on the call on the multiple calls and see if there's no echo. Please tell your brothers, tell your friends, tell those who are in the group that they should join. This is the info session where they can ask all their questions. There have been a lot of you guys in my DMs, and I cannot respond to every single one of you. So I am doing this, you are doing this info session to answer every question. So if you don't join and later on you come to ask me another question, I will not mind a lot of you because I am quite busy with schedules. Please. So tell your brothers and sisters that they should join. And please make sure you have turn off your mic. Please turn off your mic and also turn off your camera. Please turn off your camera and mic. I don't think we can keep you guys waiting whilst the others are not willing to join or don't want to join. So I would love us to begin. So I'll start by saying thank you very much for joining this particular info session. This is the place where you get to ask all your questions and we get the answers for you. The one speaking right now is Isaac Nanasa Mensah. I am the current president for Computer Science Society. The hosts, you can see the host being Computer Science Society, King University. The person behind the account is Theophilus Amanka, who is the vice president. I have my executives here, Michael Esiedu, who is the general secretary, uh, James, someone has raised his hand, James Kumi, who is the financial secretary. We have Christabel Benihua, who is the WUCOM, which is the Women's Commissioner. We have Maxwell Ifa Frimpong, who is the organizing secretary. So I've addressed all of them. I'll be posting in the group. You can visit our website to see the current administration list. So let me post it in the group for you to see. So I've posted a link in the group right now. That is the current administration list. So when you go on the website, you will see the current administration. You will see the president and their portfolio, the vice president and their portfolio, the general secretary, and all the committees that are there. I don't think we have all the committees on board. I would have addressed every single one, but we want to move as fast as possible so that some of you can go back to what you were doing before. So I think I've introduced them. Let me go into the committees and also introduce them. So with the committees, we have academic board, which the head being Eric Asante, deputy is Osmond Karim. We have their members, Frank Owusu, then Razak Karim. We have audit committee, We have the head being Bempa Owusu, then Warren King Amano, who is the deputy head. They have their members. Everything is on the website as I'm speaking. The developers team is there. We have their deputy being Kekeli Dogbe, the head being Setam Yao. The committee members, we have Joseph Mauli, Manuela Champong. All these things can be found on the website. The committee head for editorial board is Abdul Mumin, and deputy is Carl. We have their members head over there. The EC, the Electoral Commission, we have Rindolph being the head, and deputy head is Joel. It has only one member. In the Entertainment Committee, Selassie. Members as well. I don't want to be mentioning every single one of them so that we will not waste time. And we have Judiciary, which Sylvester is the head, and the deputy head is Shadrach Achampon. And the mentorship, Elia is the head, and Jeremy is the deputy head. Organizing, Carrie Churchill King Arthur, who is the head, and the deputy head is Caleb. And PRO Albert is the head, and deputy head is Bafo Opare. Then publicity committee, we have Emmanuel Dramani and Salima, who is the deputy head. Emmanuel Dramani is the head. And the research committee, we have Aaron being the head and Yawase being the deputy head. Scholarship, Seram being the head and Jefta being the deputy head. Elliot being the head of sports committee. Michael being the deputy for sports committee. Welfare, we have Oti Wisdom being the head and Emanuela being the deputy head. Women's Commissioner members, we have Veronica being the deputy head. The rest are members. So these are the list of the committees and their heads, as I mentioned. So I've listed all of them. Someone was asking me what is the CSS website for. Please, the reason why there is a dashboard means that there is a full use for this particular website. The dashboard that you see, we have your timetable, your class timetable on it, your exams timetable on it. It has all the resources that you are going to use in your entire 4 years. It has all the resources that you are going to use in your entire 4 years. So the official website, it is compulsory for you to sign up. The reason why it is compulsory is that you get to know your class schedules, you get to know your examination schedules, and you use it for some of your courses. When you get to second year, you will do something like Code Quest. I think this first year you do programming. One of them, you use the website for it. You use the website. You will use the website for it, as I was saying. So we have your timetable. We have my purchases. So there are so many features on it. That is where you use to monitor your mentorships too. So we have a program called the mentorship program, and you are going to use the website to know your mentor and the mentee, all those things. It's easy to manage your purchases. You see, when you buy anything from the merchandise page, you need to have receipt of it. So it will be on your purchases as long as you exist. And please hold on with the questions. I'll come to the questions, then we'll answer every single thing. So when it comes to the website, as I've said, it contains all the resources that you need for the entire 4 years. You use it for your purchases and every single thing. You can also submit projects that you are doing, and it will be approved and to be shown on the main website. So maybe you are doing mobile app project, web development project, you can upload. Then on the main website, it will be shown for the entire society to see. Those are one thing. And attendance too. We are almost shaping attendance. You are going to use the website for attendance as well. And the next thing is voting. Any legal voting that is going to be done on the society, whether referendum or award winning, anything, you will do it on the site. It has a secret route, but you will do it on the site. And we have our events on the site so that every single event you will not be left out. You have access to all the events. You have access to all the events. So that is what the website is for. So far, the next thing that we go to is you try signing up. You are in first year. You are in first year. So your graduation year is 2029. You see, we have ongoing. I think he can show you. Scroll down a little so that we can see the ongoing events. Please mute your mic. You see ongoing events. You see CSS Info Session. Please mute your mic. Off your camera. Prince Opoku. Prince Opoku. Theophilus, please mute him for me. So as I was saying, there is an ongoing event. And another thing, you are in first year, so your graduation year is 2029. And as of right now, you don't have your index number. So when you are signing up on the website, you don't key in any index number. I don't know why that you are signing up on a website, a new website, and it's asking for your index number, and you gave a student ID that they have given to you in the school. The index number, you are writing around for nursing. You should know that it is not like that. You should at least know that it's not like that, because this is a new phase that you are entering. So right now, I've even inputted every single thing on creating the account. Now, you don't need to change. Select your year. I must lock it. I must please remove the from the session.
You like, you don't like it,
I must please remove him. Amas, please remove Prince Opoku. Let's continue. So when you select your current year, it will automatically even set the graduation year for you. You input your gender, you select your program, you enter your first name, middle name, every single thing, your student ID, your phone number, then you scroll down, then you sign up. That's how it is. When you are done with that, I think it also asks for a personal email as well. When you are done with that, after signing up, you don't have to do anything. Then now you go to the merchandise page. Then you can purchase your items. That is where the CSS t-shirt comes in. It is very compulsory for you to get your CSS t-shirt, in the sense that first, you use it during the orientation, which is next week, Wednesday. We'll release an official statement for that. Next week, Wednesday, you will use it on the orientation. So on the orientation, if you are not wearing it, We'll bring some around, we'll give it to you, then you take it. That's how it works. You must buy the CSS t-shirt. So after buying the CSS t-shirt, you see it will need you to log in. The reason why it must log you in is that every single thing on your dashboard. And as I said, now you can even purchase on behalf of someone or purchase and gift it to someone. So when you buy it on behalf of someone, the person will see it in their dashboard. You also see it in your dashboard too. That's how the system works. Now, I would love to move to the academics. But before that, please, does any one of you have a question? Please raise your hands using the features that we have here, then talk, please. Someone is asking, are we not done with orientation? Please, the orientation, you are not done. You did college orientation. You have not done department orientation. Right now, if I ask you who are your lecturers, you cannot tell me. Who is your examination officer? You cannot tell me. You are not done with orientation, please. It's left with the society or the college orientation. Lawrence, please speak.
Okay, so I was asking about the courses they gave us. And
What was the
we
question?
saw math 161 inside, but it was not part of our 6 courses we selected, which is
Yeah, okay. So yeah, I've understood. For that particular question, where I've answered it multiple times, I said, don't worry, it will be added for you guys. All the courses that is there, it is compulsory. You will do it. They will register it for you. So,
Okay, thank you.
the t-shirt can be worn at any time, everywhere that you go. Please, when should we submit our registration slip? The registration slip, submit it on Monday at FF4. With the orientation happening on Wednesday, we will go for lectures on Monday. Probably not. You might not go for lectures on Monday, but you must come to campus. You must go to the class and sit there. We'll guide everyone. We'll have to sit there. Some of the lectures might come around. There are some lectures that does not play with is your first day or it's not your first day or anything. Some lecture does not care. Please, your timetable, every timetable is out, but it is the draft one. It is the draft one that is out right now. Send your slip to FF4 on Monday. Leo Chris, please speak. I've seen someone raise their hands, but they are not speaking. Leo Chris, please speak. I don't know why you haven't named your Leo Chris. Kweku Ofori, please speak.
All right, please. Good evening.
Yeah.
I want to ask concerning the class groups. I was wondering, where would we know where would be, or would we select, or would it be given to us, and when would we know? Thank you.
The class groups, it will be given to you guys. The grouping will be done and it will be given to you guys. So we will share a list of Google Sheet that contains the group that you are inside. It will have your name, your student ID there. It will show that you are in this particular group. So when the grouping is done, you will get to know and you get to know your groups.
Okay, thank you very much.
Monday is when your class is starting. So Amas, please remove anyone who makes noise. Just remove the person entirely. Don't tell them to mute. Thank you very much, Amas. Monday, you are starting your classes on Monday, but it might not be effective, but there's some of the lectures, they will come around. So Monday class, we are going to show you how the timetable works. Monday class, you will know which class that you are going to, and you must come there. Just be there, because some lectures, they don't joke with their class. It does not matter if you are in first year, it's your first time. It might be serious, so just come there. Someone was raising this, I don't know where they are. Please, any other question? Please make sure you have asked all your questions. The DMs were too much, please. Daniel, please speak.
Okay, please, with our registration, with the course registration, you see that pure mass is not part. So should we print it without the pure mass and submit it?
Yes. If you were here before, I've said it does not matter. They will add it later. Just print what is there and submit it. You will add every single thing later.
Thank you.
Yeah. Lawrence, please speak.
Yeah, so when we're going on a tour, you were saying that the CS they have groups, but the IT people don't have groups. I wanted to know a bit about that.
Yes, there's computer science numbers are too many. They are more than the IT numbers normally. So that's why the computer science, we have separate groups, but IT they don't have.
But in the website, I mistakenly selected.
Yes, it does not matter. If you're an IT, it does not matter whatever you select, because there is no group.
Okay, thank you.
But for CS students, there is group. So what you select will really matters, and it will affect you one way or the other. Benjamin, please. Benjamin was on the call. Those who are joining, you see, the reason why we want everyone to join very early is this. You see, someone has joined late and is asking where we are supposed to submit the registration. We have to also go back and say it all over again. You see, that is the problem that we are facing. It's not supposed to be like that. All of you were supposed to join at 7 so that we can take everyone through. Going back and forth is a little bit problem. Benjamin, please. Benjamin. Daniela Eilate, please mute your mic for me. Leonard, please speak. Benjamin, speak. Some of you have raised your hands and you are not speaking. Please, any other question before we move on? Any other question before we move on? Benjamin.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening. Please, I wanted to ask, which time are we supposed to arrive on campus on Monday? Since lectures
on your timetable. The timetable shows which time you are supposed to be there on Monday. So when we share the timetable, you will see it.
Okay.
Kwabena Chu, please speak.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Please, good evening.
Ben Madazi, please mute your mic. I must take him out for me, please. Kabnachum, please, you were saying something I wasn't able to.
All right, so please, I just want some clarification on the registration slip and where we should submit it. I heard you mention earlier that you had already answered the question, but I wasn't around right then, so please, if you can, let me know where to submit the registration slip.
The registration slip, please take it to FF4. That's the department office.
That's all right. Thank you very much.
Kwabena Opon, please speak. Kwabena Opon. Smart, okay.
Good evening.
Yeah, evening.
Good evening. Please, for those of us who couldn't make it to the tour, if there was any relevant information discussed, please can you share it with us here, especially with the format of the rooms, since some I don't understand it clearly at all.
Since you did not come around, right now, I don't have any visual pictures to show you how the rooms is structured, the lectures rooms, the examination office rooms. Those who did not come around, we share all this information. And this is one way or the other going to affect you. Because when you find academic programs, these are some of the lectures that you must go and see. So, and we cannot go on the tour again. So it leaves you wondering when issues and you don't know who to answer it. There are some of the informations I cannot even share. I don't know how, if I share, you will visualize it in your head, because we're all working and we're showing them around. But all you need to know is that the first floor is for computer science, and most of our lectures are on the first floor. We have our examination officers office at FF11. FF12 is computer science lab. FF17, FF16 is computer science lab. And some of the lectures are also at FF. I can't remember all the rooms numbers, but that's where they are located. So these are some of the information we shared during the talk. I don't know if it might be helpful.
Okay, thank you.
So please, any other question? Please, any other question? Someone is saying that they have taken their registration slip, their registration slip multiple times, but they don't take it. The reason why they stopped taking it is that the university said it's not necessary for you to submit the registration slip again. So if you go and they tell you that don't come around with it or don't bring it, yes, that's how it is. You are not supposed to submit it. But a lot of people were asking those questions where to submit. Even if you tell them that don't submit, they are asking, will it affect them? Will it do this? But when they go to the office and the secretary tells them that don't bring it, then that one they will be rest assured that they are okay. So that is why I showed them the room that they are supposed to submit. That is how it is. The university have already announced that they don't need to submit those slips again. But some people still feel like they are behind if they don't submit. So you can take it there. The secretary will tell you to take it back. Yes, I think during this week I saw them putting the boxes outside. Some of the slips were inside. I don't know, maybe they have stopped. So when you get there and they tell you that they don't need it, you just come back to your class. Someone is asking, what about our groups? I've already answered that. I'm saying when the groups comes, everyone will know. We'll share it for you guys, for you to know the groups that you are inside. Daisy, please ask your question. Evening. Yeah, so Dazi was asking a question that computer science 1, computer science 2, computer dash 1, dash 2, dash 3. And I think it was very, very obvious, but some of you are not noticing it. Computer science 1 means year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. That dash, the number that comes after the dash is the year. So the only ones that you would have to look at is computer science 1. The timetable PDF that we sent inside was the timetable for all the College of Science. And the course and the program is 4 years. So everyone's timetable is inside. So it's not like there's some who are no. That you have a different science 2, science 3 in the same year group now. Please, we are on info session call. You are on the call, you will not ask the question and you are entering my DM asking me IT timetable. Ask the questions over here. Junior Emirates, please, your question.
Okay, so you said we are not to send the registration slip. So then what confirms that we have registered our courses?
You see, these are the questions that I was trying to avoid. Send it there, send it to FF4. When you get there, they will inform you the reason why they don't want to submit. Then you take it back again. Exactly. Because you see, some of this is everyone will ask. Like they don't know why they don't have to submit because they're on the sheet is telling that they should submit. But if you tell them they don't submit, they are still confused. So I'll tell you that take it to FF4. That was when we were submitting our own. So take it to FF4. When you get there, the necessary information, you get it from there. Shem, please, your question.
You were saying something about the year 1, year 2.
Your hands is still up. Do you still have a question?
Oh, no, sorry.
Okay. Albert, do you want to say something?
Hello.
Yeah. Albert, before you I'm coming. Someone is saying if they buy the t-shirts right now, when soon would they get it? Monday.